Hello everyone, I'm Noelle, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make Momo and Mina's hero shoes, and how you can make one too. Before anything, we must analyze our references. Here we have two versions of Mina, the first being from the anime, and the second, the stage play. Both shoes contain a dark mauve base with tan/pale yellow accents. The anime version contains stitch marks around the bottom edge of the shoe, while the stage play version doesn't. For Momo, both the anime and stage play versions are practically identical. They are both heeled boots with a V-like shape in the front, in a bright red color. The stage play boots seem to be made out of leather. After analyzing my references, I've decided my design will contain a deep mauve base color with tan accents. To make this, we will need flat boots and paint. Momo's design will be fully red, and the materials we will need are heeled boots and red paint. The materials we're going to be needing are 2 pairs of boots, paint, and makeup/chalk pastels. Starting with Momo, I thrifted a pair of boots that look similar to hers. Taking some red paint, apply thin layers on the entirety of both boots. Keeping the layers thin allows it to dry quicker and prevent clumps. After your layer is completely dry, continue to apply another until the boot is a solid shade of red. Once coated, spray with a clear sealant. I typically just use 1 coat, but you can do 2 for good measure. Like Momo, I thrifted a pair of boots similar to Mina's. For the tan sections of the toe and heel, I marked out some guidelines like so. Taking some black, purple, red, and brown paint, I mixed out a deep mauve color. Apply the paint to the shoe, skipping the sections marked out where the pale yellow paint would go. Since the shoe is made out of a fabric material, it will require less layers to become an opaque color, but it will suck up more paint. Using white, brown, and yellow paint, I mixed up a pale yellow tannish color. Since there was already a pale yellow fuzzy piece on top of the shoe, I made sure the colors matched before I applied. I applied about 2 coats on each color to make sure there were no gaps. To give it a finished look, I applied some brown makeup to the edges of the toe and heel, and a little around the fuzzy rim on top. You can also use chalk pastels. Then, taking some more mauve paint, paint on some stitches around the bottom edge of the shoe, trying your best to make them even. Seal it with some clear spray. Overall, I'm pretty happy with how these shoes came out. If you would like to see more cosplay DIYs from me, like this one, make sure you like and subscribe.